We just wanted to show you how easy it is to create a new bidder registration an account so that you can bid on our online auctions. This account can be used for any HiBid auction, whether it's our auction or another auctioneer. First, what you want to do is type in gathmanauction.hibid.com specifically for our auctions, or you can get to the same place through hibid.com. Then you're going to want to look up here where it says Login New Bidder. Click on this, and then go to New Bidder right here. You're going to type in your email address, and it'll send an email confirmation. Then it's going to ask you to complete your account information. So you can fill out your, I'm just going to fill out some of the information. It's going to want you to fill it all out before it'll create your account. But I just didn't want to put all of our personal information on here since it's out on the internet. So I'll just walk you through part of it. So make sure you fill out your address, your phone number, and then this is where you would create a username and password. Okay, put your email address in there again, and obviously it'll want you to confirm. Okay, then you would select down here your account options. You can choose if you want your username visible or not to other bidders. This option gives you the chance to have an email confirmation sent every time you've placed a bid. The next option is you can choose to have an email sent if you've been outbid on an item. And the last is an email reminder for auction events. Go down here and then you create new account. Like I said, I just didn't want to put all of our personal information on here. But it is that easy, and it should say it's been confirmed. And then we will create another screen recording and show you all how easy it is to start bidding on items. So, and that will start with going down here and registering to bid. This does require you to register to bid for each auction. So just a reminder, even if you have a HiBid account, once you sign into your account, you'll still need to click register to bid for each auction. But you will have an account, so it'll be much easier. So we thank you guys, and make sure to like our Facebook page for further auction updates. Thank you.